library friends! So after we finished unboxing the massive unboxing video, more new DVDs arrived. So it's a day of unboxing. So we've got one last thing to unbox together. So you can find these DVDs in our catalog under new DVDs, and if there's requests that you want to see, let us know, and we'll get those ordered. Alright, let's see what's in this box. Okay. The other part of the Spanish Princess. Thanks for sending that out of order. Horror.